Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G53. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet app. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app you can add payment card, check quick tips, and manage your passes. Also, you can go to All Tips, and you can add more passes to your Google account as well as payment card. Then, if you go to Menu, you've got access to your Google account, All Wallet Tips again, tap to Pay Setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then you can check full list of participating banks in Google Wallet. Next you can go to Password Manager, where you can manage your passwords. Then you can go to Your Data in Wallet, when you can manage payments data and passes data. Next you can go to Wallet Settings, where you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. Next, you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.